have mercy. You know we cannot slow down when things about to go down. If we make the right move, we fall into the right groove. Let's step into the moment so we can surrender. Surrender to you, so we can get together. And you know, baby, you are one of a kind. And you know, and I know.
Good morning. How the devil are you? I hope this day finds you well. It's a beautiful, cool day. That makes a change. We've had a bit of rain over here in the night, but it's been lovely here, absolutely lovely. Yeah, I'm just out having a cup of tea, taking some shots for you. I've got some bees in some slow motion that you'll see, or whichever way it goes. It's just starting to rain. I just feel it on me now, and that's beautiful. It's not all sunshine in van life. Van life takes a lot of work. Being cooped in a small van or a small motorhome, you're forever cleaning, putting things away, setting things up. It's a bit full on to what it is in an house. You can leave your washing up overnight in the house. You can't in a van. Just little bits like that you have to, it keeps you more active, I think. Anyway, I'm not going into all that. It's bleeding raining, and just having a fag and a cup of tea and enjoying this breeze. It was a warm night last night, very warm. Yes, warm it was. But it's cooled off today. The sun's been in and out, and little spots of rain here and there, and that's it. But it's so nice after the bit of heat we've had over the weekend. Was beautiful. I hope you enjoyed your weekend anyway. And if you've done anything nice, put it in the comments. It'd be nice to see what you lot are doing as well. Yeah, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the channel on this one. I watch various channels. I skip through quite a few. I'm subscribed to a lot of channels, and everybody has their own individual way of doing things. Some people, they'll show everything of the daily life. From breakfast to dinner and preparing and all that. I do a little bit of that, but yeah, I try not to do the mundane things for you. I'd rather you seeing some beautiful sights that I'm seeing rather than watching me make a sandwich or fry a bit of egg and bacon or make the stew. I mean, in the winter that'll most probably be back in fashion, as you know. If you go back on my previous vlogs, you'll find out. There's cooking, there's cooking on there's even cooking on a log burner in there. So always go back and have a look at the videos, and it'd be nice. And comment on them. If you drop me a comment on them. If you're ever bored, there's lots of videos in my backlog, going back over 2 years. Well, this will be my fourth year in the camper. Well, on the road. And it's been an experience. I'll be back in a minute. And we're back. Yeah, as I was saying about the channel, people do it in their own ways. Um, I like to give you content that's, nice to look at. Something, sit down at the end of the day and have a look at, experience what I'm experiencing this van life. It's not as easy as it looks. And it's not for everybody. Some people, suffer with mental health disease. We all suffer with mental health. Every fucking human being suffers with mental health problems. It's as simple as that. We're not all the same. And it's just stupidness, mate. Just labelling and labelling. Um, I'm not going to go into it because people jump on the bandwagon for silly fucking things. If you're not happy, change it. Simple. Try to explore, do something. Or there's give up. Yeah, I ain't into one of them. I'll let you know that for a start. I'm in for the long run, mate. I've paid in all my life. I don't want to fucking back off of these bastards. Excuse my language. I'll not get into politics either because that'll kill my channel really quickly. And I don't want that to happen. But yeah, every day is not a sunny day in the van. And you do get lonely if you're not happy with your own company. It's a learning issue, really, It's a matter of seeing if you can live with yourself. And not just mentally. Physically, you need to be changing locations. As driving, walking, getting out there filming, it makes you do things. Whereas sitting in a house makes you want to do nothing. I pick up the camera. I ain't got a partner. But I've got a fucking camera and I've got you lot. And that's what gets me by. Just having you lot, something to film, something to show people. And hope they comment. And yeah, it's nice. It's nice. You don't feel so lonely. When you're blacking out at 3 o'clock in the afternoon in the winter months, they're long evenings. But you can choose to shut up and sit inside from 3 o'clock in the afternoon till 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. Like I say, it's not for everybody. Some days you appreciate doing that because you can get some things done, some editing or filming. Just get out there and do something. That's what keeps you going, I believe. Putting an effort in. Anyway, I bet I'm boring the pants off of you lot now, ain't I? Anyway, that's just a few pointers. I mean, if you're not able-bodied, it's not going to be for you. If you're a tryer, you like your own company, and you haven't explored, you want to explore, this is the life. It's not everybody's ideal retirement. Some people are forced into it. I didn't think fucking hell I'll live in a van when I fucking retire. I thought, I'd be sorted. But we won't go into that, will we? Life throws you curved balls. Sometimes you got a duck, or you get hit in the nuts. It's one of them. It's one of them. But as things are working out, I've never had so much freedom. I mean, it's beautiful to do what you want to do, and I'll greet each season that comes. I love them all. I look forward to the next season or the end of the season, the beginning of the new season. It's forever changing in van life. Summer is beautiful. All seasons are beautiful, especially if you've got a camera and you're visiting new places. I mean, I'm hoping to do Scotland, as you know, in September, quite soon. that's someone trying to call me at the minute, so I'll have to pause this here. As I was saying, it's not for everybody, but I'm taking to it like a fish to water. And there's a few new channels out there of the older people doing the same thing. They're caught up in the same rut. You can't afford things if you've got house and bills and everything else. It's just you and your vehicle. You ain't got a lot, but you live a better lifestyle than what you would sat in a house. That's my opinion, and my opinion only. Anyway, my lovelies, I'm going to leave this one here. I don't want to get too deep, and I'll see you all very soon. Ta-ra for now. Love you all.